This is the HP4952 protocol analyzer, and I'm going to show it loading the new Snake game from disk. So let's turn it on. And put the disk in. Then from the Mass Store menu we can see that there's a few applications on this. And I can see the Snake game. Let me zoom in there. And this is the game we're going to load. So I hit load and execute. And it says get ready to play Snek. And there it is, it's on the menu, and we can go straight into the game. Let's do it. Okay, so the goal of this obviously is to eat these little thingies and not get eaten or run into myself or whatever. And the more I eat, the faster it goes. And it's already getting difficult. Oh no, I can't, there's no way I can get that. Boom. And then I can play a new game. Here we are, playing